This is a 2003 Hunter low profile ceiling fan. This is one of the two that came from the Pennsylvania meet. And this one's probably in slightly worse cosmetic condition, just because it has a little bit of scratching up there. But otherwise it seems to work fine. The sticker that's on the mounting bracket says 0303, so I'm pretty sure that means the third week of 2003, because the other one says 20 something 02. So blades are reversible. It's a bleached oak per usual. Start on low. So I never really saw too many of these as a kid. However, there is a diner, I think more of a breakfast place, that did have one of these. I think it's still there actually. But other than that, I haven't really seen too many of these. I mainly bought it just so that it wouldn't get scrapped, because this did come from the auction. I got both fans for $6. And one thing about this gigantic switch housing is that it's actually a little difficult to get the screws in tight up there for the blade brackets. So that's just something I never really thought of before. And I think these having white motors goes back, they started doing it in the 2000s, I mean. Because I'm pretty sure the 90s ones have black ones. And I guess it makes more sense for the fan itself, but yeah, I don't know. Interesting little tidbit about these. I don't know a whole lot about them. I just know that the Hunter low profile was made for forever. And they still make Hugger fans now, so it's debatable if it was even discontinued. I had to readjust it really quick. I could hear it slightly scraping against the vent screen. And you know, for a Hugger fan, it's decent. It's nothing too crazy. How does this look? Whoa. So this one is likely going to be for sale. I don't know if both of them will be, but I know that I don't need two, so. Let's go all the way back here. They didn't mention that it was 42 inches, but yeah, it almost has looks like it has a full-size motor housing. The same as it would be for a 52-inch, but I don't know. So yep, Hunter low profile ceiling fan from 2003. Stay tuned for the next one. It's gonna have bleached oak blades. Bye.